Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you 3 viral YouTube niches that will blow up your channel very fast if you execute them properly. So in this video, I want to show you, I will break them down to you in every steps and each of those viral niches that you execute properly and get your channel to blow up faster than you expected. So guys, let's get to the video right now. Alright guys, welcome back. If this is your first time of seeing my video, this is Lucky Tube Tips. In this channel, I give you tricks and tips on how to grow your channel from small to medium and to large YouTube channel. Okay, so now make sure you subscribe to my channel because I will keep on dropping lots of videos that will help your channel to grow. Alright, let's get to the video right now. So the first viral niches right now that is blowing up very fast is AI. Right now, AI has become a trendy topic that has blown everywhere all over the social media, and you can attest to the fact that this is what YouTube likes. Now YouTube likes any channel that talks about latest trending stuffs, what people are very keen interest of knowing. So if your video is about such kind of content, YouTube tends to push it very fast to the right people to watch your videos. So AI is the first. For example, the example right now, you can check about nano banana, you can check about AI baby videos. Anything AI right now is trending. So guys, so make sure you don't stay idle. So now why this works, number one, why this works is because people are curious to know about the latest AI tools, AI automation tools, AI tricks, and anything about AI in the world right now. So number one is AI. Now let's get to number two. Number two is challenges videos. I'm telling you the truth right now. Challenge. Any video about challenge is trending. For example, the video about challenges, for example, one is, let's say video like I ate carbs for 2 weeks, or you can't believe I survived on water for 2 weeks. I'm telling you, this channel, this kind of topics grows very fast, and anything that grows fast is what YouTube tends to push. So now posting videos about challenges is we make your channel that you start newly to grow real fast than what you expect to happen. So start right now, create a channel about challenges and start posting your channel, and you see it grow very fast on YouTube. Now why does this work? The reason why this works is because people are curious to see what happens. Take for example that video you talk about eating carbs for 2 weeks. People want to see how you look if you eat only carbs for 2 weeks, or if you say you drink only water for 2 weeks. People are very curious to know about what happens to you if you drink only water for 2 weeks. So that kind of video is tend to blow up very fast and go viral. The last but not the least is documentaries and storytelling. I'm telling you the truth right now, anything documentary is blowing really fast. It's blowing very fast. So if you are posting anything that concerns documentaries and storytelling, YouTube will put your channel very fast to the audience that will need to watch them. Before you know, your channel that you created in a matter of days or weeks has grown and blown up really fast than you expected. Now about documenting and storytelling. Now one of the viral niches on that niche is African folklore story. African folklore stories are storytelling. People are very interested. See, you can check the RPM of such videos is very fast. YouTube pays very well on those such channels. Why? Because they are very entertaining and engaging, and such kind of videos are very long. Now, you know that YouTube pays you more if your channel videos are long. The length of your video determines the RPM. So that kind of video blows very fast. Now another aspect of that kind of documentary and storytelling is posting video about, let's say you say this man hacked NASA, that is this man hacked NASA, or things like you can't believe what happened in 1980 in the US, or you don't or let's say do you know what happened in Dubai for the last 25 years? These kind of stories are documentaries. People want to watch, want to dig deep to know what happened in that time. All right guys, so now let me give you a tip to this. Now this tip is what, if you are posting this kind of videos I'm talking about, you should make sure you post short as well. Post shorts. Now once you are posting short, then you put the main video under the shorts where they write related videos. That will help your channel blow very fast. This is a secret, guys, that will be shown, that you know, that people pay a lot to get, but give you guys for free. So guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can get to watch these kinds of video coming your way next time. All right guys, so for now, goodbye, thank you, bye.